Hey there, welcome back to Product Cruise. Are you sick of developing products that don't quite hit the mark? Are you frustrated with wasting time and resources on features nobody wants? In this video, we'll unveil the Jobs to be Done framework, the ultimate secret weapon that will revolutionize how you create products. Say goodbye to missed opportunities and hello to a whole new level of product success. I promise you, you won't want to miss this one. So stick around until the very end to change your game. So, what is the Jobs to be Done framework? Let's start with a story. Meet Sarah, a busy mom who adored her old clunky vacuum cleaner. But one day, it broke and her house turned into chaos. Instead of rushing to replace it with a similar one, she took a step back and thought about what she really wanted. She realized she didn't simply want a new vacuum cleaner. She wanted a clean house with minimal effort. That was her job to be done. So Sarah explored various solutions like cleaning services, robot vacuums, and advice from friends. She didn't limit herself to just one type of product. She was unknowingly applying the Jobs to be Done framework by assessing each option based on how well it could help her achieve the job, the desire for a clean house with minimal time and effort. Ultimately, she made an informed decision to invest in a robot vacuum cleaner because it aligned perfectly with her job to be done. It offered a hassle-free way to keep her home clean, which was a game-changer for her daily life. This story illustrates the practical use of the Jobs to be Done framework in real life. So, what is the Jobs to be Done framework? It's a method for understanding why customers choose products or services by uncovering the specific jobs or tasks customers are trying to accomplish in their lives. Rather than solely focusing on the solutions themselves, it emphasizes the underlying needs and motivations, helping businesses create offerings that precisely address customer requirements, leading to greater success in the market. Benefits of the Jobs to be Done framework. Now, you might be wondering, why should you care about this framework? Well, let me tell you about its benefits. Number 1, user centricity. It puts the user at the center, helping you design products that truly serve their needs. Number 2, innovation. It encourages innovation by focusing on the problem, not the solution. Number 3, market understanding. You'll gain a deep understanding of your market, identifying unmet needs. Number 4, competitive edge. It can give you a competitive edge by delivering products that are ahead of the game. Why product managers should use it. Product managers, this is for you. Using the Jobs to be Done framework is a game changer for you because it helps you make informed decisions, prioritize features, and create products that your users will love. It's a compass that guides you towards success. Real-life case studies. Number 1, McDonald's. Remember when McDonald's introduced the breakfast menu? They weren't just selling burgers, they were helping people solve the job to be done of having a quick, tasty breakfast on the go. Number 2, Apple. Apple didn't just create the iPhone, they solved the job to be done of having all your essential gadgets in one device. Your phone, music player, and more, all in your pocket. How to practically use it. Practical usage is the key. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Number 1, identify the job. Understand what your users really want to achieve. Number 2, segment your audience. Different users may have different jobs to be done. Number 3, create personas. Develop personas to represent your target audience. Number 4, test and iterate. Continuously test your solutions to ensure they meet the job. Useful resources. Now, if you want to dig deeper into the Jobs to be Done framework, here are some fantastic resources. 2 books that I recommend are Competing Against Luck by Clayton Christensen and Jobs to be Done, Theory to Practice by Anthony Ulwick. Sources such as Jobs to be Done radio podcast and jtbd.info articles are also great. Conclusion. So, to wrap this up, the Jobs to be Done framework is your ticket to creating products that people can't live without. So, whether you're a product manager, entrepreneur, or just someone who wants to understand how products succeed, this framework is a must-know. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember, it's not about the product, it's about the job to be done. Thanks for watching.